Stock number 5939 for sale by Consignment at Classic Auto Mall is this fully restored 1950 Willys Jeepster VJ3 463 convertible. It has new replacement sheet metal where it was needed and presents well, but does have some scuffs and scrapes from being driven. The like new black canvas convertible top is complete with plastic rear window and even has side curtains, making it a year-round cruiser. The lightly patina engine bay has a 134-inch inline 4-cylinder with a 1-barrel carburetor and 3-speed manual transmission. It also has drum brakes on all 4 corners, and the X-frame is rust-free with leaf springs in both the front and rear. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Easily search our inventory at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide.